Hey traders, welcome to pittrades.com. It's Wednesday, about 8:30 Central Standard Time. I wanted to wait until the market closed and then the Globex session opened back up for a little while and just see how the action overnight was going to fare. And very interesting stuff. We had this late sell-off in the day, and I believe that was due to a rumor. Again, this is another reason, guys, that and especially in the markets right now, when we're winding and coiling back and forth, it's actually almost a perfect coil. It's up one day, then down a couple, then up a couple, and down one, and up two, and then down one. Down one, up one, down one. It's just crazy, and I suspect there could be more, even though we technically have broken out of this channel, but now we're sitting on this EMA right here at 29, 27 here, excuse me, about 28 area. They're trying to rally it back into the actual wedge here. I suspect they'll do that in the Globex, but now the real case now is for tomorrow during the regular trading hours, and also prior to that, because we do have some news out in the morning. We have housing starts, jobless claims at 7:30 a.m. Central. Then we have well, Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index is probably not going to be much, but the Philly Fed survey is at 9 a.m. And then they have e-commerce retail sales at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So those are market movers there, and I suspect we'll see some movement off of that. But I'm still thinking that we are going to end up testing the 1289 eventually. Whether it happens today or tomorrow, I still think we end up there. And the more that this continues to do these wild swinging moves like this, I think we just go sideways for the rest of the year. We don't make any new highs or break out. Again, just my observation. I would not trade that, because if you learned today, I thought we were going to break out and go to 1289. By the way, we had no trades today. This was not the action that we were looking for. It's very weird. But I suspected we could go up and test 89 and then up to 1300, and then we sold off very hard in the afternoon. Again, this was huge move from 55 down to 25, and not very a long period of time. That's 1, 2, 3. That's almost 2 hours and such. So where do we go from here? Well, let's take a look at a few levels to watch tomorrow. First, you have to watch where we broke out of here. Price may come back and revisit that in the Globex around that 42 area. They tend to do that. Then we'll see if these are really sellers in here, or is this just a news event. Okay, if we do see sellers in here, we'll come down and test the 22 to the 20 area, and then below that I definitely have the 13. If it gets really weak, then 1200 is in sight. To the upside, if we break back in the channel, I think next time up we go break it out and we do test the 59s up here. We get above that, then it's up to the 75 area. 84 is a possible stop, and then the 1300, which again, now we have options expiration coming up on Friday. So if we're going to get a big move, it'll probably happen tomorrow, I suspect, because we'll see a lot of pinning action on Friday. Also, it's option expiration before the holiday week. It's going to be a shortened trade week next week, so a lot of guys will probably take some time off. We'll see low volume chop. And you know, I suspect that'll be the case because it's been quite active and people are tired. If you've been getting chewed up in this market, you know, they're probably wanting to take a little break and get a breather before the Christmas or as what they'd say, the Santa Claus rally. Anyway, guys, with that, be very careful tomorrow. We do have news out in the morning. So we have 7:30 news, housing starts, jobless claims, Philly Fed at 9 a.m. and e-commerce retail sales 9 a.m. That's Central Standard Time. Still, guys, very uncertain market. We don't have that direction yet, so no harm in staying in the cash. That's a position to wait for your trades to set up and make sure that they are in your parameters and your risk reward is defined. Other than that, guys, trade very well tomorrow, and we'll talk to you tomorrow night. Take care.